Okay, so right there is Taco Bell. Wow, Taco Bell. Let me just put the camera down for a second. So I've been, if you don't know, I'm from the United States, and Americans kind of love Taco Bell. I've been living in Asia for a long time, so it's not easy for me to find one of these. There's one right here. There's some in Bangkok, a few other places, but nothing around here, not in Hong Kong, not in Macau, but Shenzhen has one. So I'm going to bring that camera in here. We're going to see what's on the menu, show you what it's all about. Taco Bell, Shenzhen. Well, if you want to come with me, you're going to have to jump in this hand right here, camera. Okay, Taco Bell, Shenzhen, right there. So we're going to try to bring the camera with us and try to check it all out. You can see the signs already for it. Let's go on in. So before we begin, we're in Coco Park. Let me just kind of show you a little bit of Coco Park before we even go in. But you can see there's all these flower shops, restaurants. There's a train station, I think it's called Shopping Park train station. And then you kind of have this little courtyard right here as well. It's all called like a Coco Park complex. And there's restaurants, there's coffee shops over there, there's Dairy Queen, I saw Genki Sushi, I saw other fast food stuff from all over the place, United States including this Taco Bell right here. And I think this is the only Taco Bell in Shenzhen, as far as I know. So we're gonna bring the camera with us. Come on in. Let's kind of see what this all looks like. Huh. Halloween. Taco Bell. Let's see what this is real quick. Huh. Got LeBron James. Is he here in Coco Park? I guess he must have been. Let's bring the camera in. Yeah, it looks like he was. Huh. And that's actually... Huh. Okay. What am I gonna get here? Let me see what they got. They got pepper flavor, chicken tacos. Huh. Oh, they got Wagyu beef. 14.9. Cheesy beef rolls. Huh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna order something and then I'm gonna go up and grab a seat. Now, one thing that's interesting is I see they got Corona there and Huevo Cuavro, and that's the menu up there. So we're gonna see if we could what we can get here. I think I'm gonna try to get this one, but I have to be kind of careful when I get it because it might get confusing. So we have a lot of different stuff here. That looks pretty good too, though. And then they also have things in Chinese side too. Yeah, you can buy beer here. Desserts. Cornflakes. Huh. Cornflakes. There's a lot of stuff I wouldn't mind seeing what it's all about. I'm gonna try to get this one though. Oh, you get the... Oh, okay. You get 2 plus french fries plus Coke. Okay, yep. So I'm gonna get that one. Okay. $44.90. So maybe this one. Got it. So yep, we got soft, we got beef, we got sour cream. So we're all set up. Very nice. Taco Bell, Shenzhen. And we got French fries too. So the combination is, I think it was like about 36 RMB, which is, what's that? $5? $4? Amazing. Fish. That's really good. So that was Taco Bell. And I think what we're gonna do Taco Bell right there. And you can see the sign up there. I was gonna take you over to the main street. So we're in Coco Park, which is near a place called, what's it called? Shopping Mall train station, which is one station south of Xi'an. It took me a while to try to find a location. Those are some references to the streets that's near here. So anyways, that was Taco Bell. And it's here in Coco Park. So that's the location of it right there. Coco Park. And that's Taco Bell. Well, if you want to come with me, you're going to have to jump in this hand right here, camera. Xi'an.